Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to unbox Egyptair Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. So you can see this is a JC Wings 1/400 scale die-cast aircraft model produced under license from Boeing Management Company. 787 and Boeing are among the trademarks owned by Boeing anyway. So this is the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Egyptair livery. I really love the livery because you see this is a bird. This is the eye of the bird and I love this color gradient from deep blue to light blue. And you see the packet is also designed like it has the bird logo, and this is the tail of the aircraft and it looks really great. And the 787 is also a great model. You see, and this is a flaps down model. This particular model is a flaps down model. Egyptair, JC Wings, Egyptair Boeing 787-9. Here are some specifications. So let's open the model. Let's unbox the model. So packaging is okay, but this model, this packet is a bit small as compared to other JC Wings 1/400 scale models. For instance, I have a Sichuan Airbus A350-900. It's the same scale and it's almost the same size. I think it's a bit longer than this model, but the packet is huge compared to this. But anyway, the packaging is alright, and anyway, the size of the packet doesn't matter. The model is great. So you see, here's the model. So here you see. So this is quite heavy and it's a fully die-cast metal model and it looks great. As I've already told you, I really love the Egyptair livery, and this is the 787-9 Dreamliner, the side view of the Dreamliner. And you see this is a flaps down model. You see the flaps are extended downwards. I really love the flaps down model, and you can see the raked winglets, the 787 winglets. This is the back view, and this model, there is no defect. There is just one small problem, that is the wheels. You see the wheels are rollable, okay, but the left wheel is it's a bit stuck. Okay, it rolls, but it doesn't roll smoothly. But the other models I have, JC Wings 1/400, they roll smoothly. So, but anyway, this model it's not for playing. This is just for display. So it serves that purpose well. And anyway, again, I really love the livery and everything. So the registration number of this model is SUGER. www.egyptair.com. Here we have the flag and then Dreamliner written here, Dreamliner, Egyptair. Here is the engine with the spiked nozzle and something written in Egyptian, I guess, and the bird and the Dreamliner. I really love both the livery and the aircraft as well. This is my first 787 in 1/400 scale. I have only one other 787 and that's 1/200 scale, and without landing gears. That's a plastic model. So anyway, so this is the model. So it's a great model. You can see the front view here. It looks great, and so the model is highly detailed. You can see these red markings and these antennas and everything. This detailing is like, it's custom for all JC Wings models, 1/400 models. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy the video. So thank you very much, and this is a great model and I would definitely recommend this model.